If you're serious about electronics repairs or DIY projects, a reliable soldering station is a must-have. In this guide, we'll highlight the best soldering stations that offer precision, temperature control, and durability for both beginners and professionals. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. JCD 8898 750W Soldering Station. The JCD 8898 750W soldering station is a reliable 2-in-1 unit ideal for electronics enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals who need both a soldering iron and a hot air gun in a single compact setup. This station features dual LCD digital displays that allow precise temperature control for both tools. The soldering iron ranges from 180 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, while the hot air gun covers 100 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, making it versatile for various applications, from small circuit boards to BGA and IC repair. The hot air heater delivers a strong 150 liters per minute airflow, ensuring efficient heat distribution when desoldering or reworking components. It also includes an intelligent self-detection function that improves personal safety by monitoring operational conditions. Beginners will appreciate the easy-to-follow temperature adjustments, while experienced users will enjoy the precision and stability this station offers. Overall, the JCD 8898 is a solid, user-friendly option for a dependable and multifunctional soldering solution. Number 2. Luxianzi 8589D Plus Soldering Station. The Luxianzi 8589D Plus soldering station stands out for its combination of power, versatility, and user-friendly design, making it a great tool for electronics repair, BGA, and IC work. This station pairs a hot air gun and soldering iron within a compact housing, each with an LED digital display for precise temperature readings. The hot air gun delivers up to 900 W of power, with a temperature range from 100 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius and a maximum wind flow of 120 liters per minute. Its adjustable airflow, with 10 available settings, ensures you have the control needed for delicate tasks and larger projects alike. The soldering iron, rated at 60 W, heats up quickly and maintains stable temperatures for consistent performance. Overall, the Luxianzi 8589D Plus is a reliable, well-equipped rework station offering excellent value for professionals and hobbyists. Number 3. Bacon BK602S 2-in-1 Soldering and Rework Station. The Bacon BK602S 2-in-1 Soldering and Rework Station is a professional-grade option designed for demanding electronics work, especially where precision and reliability are vital. Featuring a large LED display with a clean, attractive interface, it's user-friendly while offering advanced functions. This unit integrates a soldering iron and hot air rework tool within a space-saving design, both operating independently for increased flexibility. The hot air gun delivers up to 550 W, with a temperature range from 100 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius and an air volume of 120 liters per minute, making it ideal for delicate rework tasks like removing QFP, SP, and PLCC components. The high-frequency heating system offers fast recovery and consistent performance. With its sturdy construction and intelligent safety features, the Bacon BK602S is well-suited for professional repair shops or serious hobbyists seeking a dependable 2-in-1 solution for various soldering and reworking needs. Number 4. Silverflow 8586D 2-in-1 Soldering Station. The Silverflow 8586D 2-in-1 soldering station combines efficient design with professional functionality, making it an appealing choice for both home workshops and repair technicians. This unit provides a hot air rework tool and soldering iron, both featuring digital temperature displays for easy, accurate adjustments. The hot air gun operates within a 100 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius range, powered by a brushless blower that ensures a steady, smooth airflow up to 120 liters per minute. It's ideal for desoldering delicate components like SMD ICs, BGAs, and other surface mount devices. The soldering iron heats between 200 degrees Celsius and 480 degrees Celsius, with digital temperature calibration for enhanced control and tip longevity. The Silverflow 8586D is a user-friendly, feature-rich option for precision soldering and rework applications at an excellent price point. Number 5. JCD8898 Pro 2 in 1 soldering station. The JCD8898 Pro 2 in 1 soldering station is an upgraded model that offers impressive performance and convenience for electronics repair, BGA, and IC work. This station merges a hot air gun and soldering iron within one compact, streamlined unit, each managed through dual LCD displays for precise temperature monitoring. The hot air gun delivers up to 800 W of power with a temperature range from 100 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius and a maximum airflow of 150 liters per minute. Its adjustable airflow and Fahrenheit/Celsius switching capability add flexibility for a variety of tasks. The 80 W soldering iron heats quickly and plus an automatic cooling function that prolongs the heating element's lifespan. This makes it a low-maintenance, high-performance tool suitable for both hobbyists and professionals. With its compact design, user-friendly controls, and reliable temperature precision, the JCD8898 Pro is an excellent investment for anyone seeking a solid, versatile soldering station for demanding electronics work. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for updates. For product prices, check the description. If you have any questions, comment below. I'm happy to help. Life is short, so enjoy every moment with our cool products that make life easier. We've done the research to save you time and money, selecting these top 5 based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. Thanks for watching.